Hello YouTube family. I want to get something off my chest. Cause recently I've been seeing this a lot. And I want to talk about how to not get scammed and how to avoid scams in the affiliate marketing industry, in the digital marketing space, and the multi-level marketing space. So I will introduce myself before we do this video. My name is Isaiah Prim, and I've been in this space since 2023. Before that, I was doing surveys and all that, and myself as a disabled person that has on the autism spectrum, which is, I guess you're not gonna see a lot of guys like me doing this. We do think that don't do videos like this. Kind of gets challenging, but I don't mind taking the challenges and all that. So, but I'm gonna cut the boring point out. So let's cut to the chase and let's talk about how to avoid scams. Now, one, you gotta do your research. Don't just jump to opportunity because you see a leader out there that's doing that, and you know these things can come and go. Just recently, another crypto scam got shut down or got a cease and desist. So I'm wanting people out there to be careful, because what happens is you can get in trouble too because you're just promoting it. So if you're in that crowd, just stay away and just be yourself. Number two, go by your gut, go by your instincts. If you see something that's a little bit fishy, then don't join it. Don't even think about joining it. Just stay away from it. And thirdly is just don't join at all. Don't promote your opportunities that you've been in and all that, and just stick with that and not just jump to the next one and all that. And that's all you gotta do, rather than just jump to the next one, 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 and then everybody gets confused, and then they're all just like, oh, I'm not sure I'm gonna join this one because they're confusing. So you don't want to be that confusing person. But anyways, that's the video that I was talking about, and how to avoid scams and all that, and you know how to open mind and all that. My call to action, I do got an opportunity though that is legit, and that link will be in the description, along with other things like my Facebook and more. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. There will be related videos too. There should be somewhere on the screen. If you see it, then check those videos out. And that's all I got to say. Let's not scam anybody. Let's not try to play griffin and all that, and let's help people out, and let's be the best marketers out there. So happy Thursday, and take care.